Okay, in this video, we will be looking into some exercises for protected data members or methods. Also, the how to prevent extending and overriding. Okay, let's see first one for protected data and methods. Uh, when a modifier should, what modifier should be used on a class so that a class in the same package can access it, but class in a different package cannot access it. We have many modifiers. Four we studied: public, private, protected, and default. Public means we can access it in the same class, same package, different package. Okay, and when you say private, only it can be accessed only from the same class. When it is protected, it can be accessed from the same class, accessed from the same package, accessed from the subclass in a different package. Default means accessed in the same class from the same package and also from the same package. So here it is. What modifier should be used on a class so that a class can be accessed in the same package, and also class can be accessed different package cannot access it. Okay, so by default it is default access modifier. Another question: what modifier should you use so that a class in a different package cannot access the class, but it's a subclass from any package can access it? Subclass from any package, but a class from a different package should not be able to access it. So that is protected. Okay, there is a difference. Class in a different package cannot access it, but if it is a subclass in a different package, it can access it. That's protected. Okay, so let's assume that you have this following program and there is a question mark here in this program. So the access modifier is not written in for these members. It is a variable, instance variable, it is an instance method. But the access modifier is left empty. So there are three things given in your question, A, B, C. So let's see what are they. For example, sorry, it's not A, B, C, D. It's a question A and question B. So here is the code A and here is for the code B. Okay, let's see that in code A. For example, if the question marks in this program code A, okay, are replaced by blanks. In case if it is replaced by blank, can class be compiled? If it is replaced by blank, when you do not write any access modifier, it is called by default it is called default access modifier. Okay, then so the question is, if the question marks are in the program A is replaced by blank, it is default access modifier, can class be compiled? Yes, it can be compiled. So the answer for this question is yes. Okay. So the answer is yes. Let me highlight it in yellow. If the question marks are replaced by private, so here you write private and here you write private, and class B will be compiled. Can you see class B? Class B calls the method M. Okay, and class B prints the variable I. When you say private, only that class can access it. How can the other class access it? So if you replace the question mark with private, uh, can class be compiled? No, it can't be compiled. So there will be a problem because private members cannot be accessed from other classes. Okay, if the question marks are replaced by protected, can class be compiled? So here you write protected, here you write protected. So can this class will be compiled successfully? Of course, we saw protected. Protected means the same class can access it. Class in a the subclass in a different package can access it. Okay, so that is about the protected. Also, we have one more. It can be accessed from the same class in the same package, subclass in the different package. So that's fine. Okay, because this is all in same package P1 and also this is in P1. Moreover, it is a subclass. Fine, no problem. Another one, let's assume a simple program. We have a class with the access, so without any access modifier. There is no access modifier here. Okay, so let's assume the same thing. If the question mark are replaced by blank, so the same thing. Will the class be compiled? You say that here this program is very close to the previous example, but the difference is superclass is in package P1, subclass is in package P2. So this program is in package P1. This program is in package P2. Two different packages. Okay. So now let's see if the question marks are replaced by blank. So here you write nothing. Here also you write nothing. It means default access modifier. So can class B will be compiled? Of course, no, it can't be compiled because it's not the same package. Default modifier means the same class can access it, or same package. The classes in the same package can access. It's not the class in the same package, different package. Okay. Let's the question mark replaced by private. You write a private here. You write a private here. Can the class B will be compiled? Of course, you can't able to compile it. As like before I said, private members can be accessed in the same class. So if the question marks are replaced by protected, how about class B compilation? What is class B? It is in a different package, but it is the subclass. So protected means same class can access it, classes in the same package can access it, subclasses in the different package can access it. So no problem. Class B can be executed. Okay, let's see some other example. So here the example, it is, let's assume the um, two classes, class A and class B. B is the subclass, A is the superclass. So, and the main program is here. Okay, main method. Okay. In the following code, classes A, B and main are in the same package. So everything. So this class and this class and this class are in the same package. So can main class be compiled? So here they are all in the same package. Okay. So when it is in the same package, so can main class will be compiled? This one, I'm talking about this one. When you have protected member, classes in the same package and subclasses in the different package can be executed. Of course, so as it is protected, so there is no issue here for the execution. So yes, the answer to this question is yes. Okay. Now let's move on to preventing, extending or overriding. So how do you prevent a class from being extended? How can you prevent a class being extended? What do you mean by being extended? You do not want to have a subclass for that class. So you make that class final. What do you mean by make the class final? You write final in front. You write public final class and then write the class name. So here you normally write class A, is it? So when you say final, when I say final class A, you cannot have a subclass for the class A. Okay, that is the idea. You cannot extend it. I erased it. Okay. So make use of the final. How can you prevent? Okay, I just write final. This is not the answer. You need to say that you define the class using the keyword final, because final class cannot be extended. So this is the proper answer. I'm just giving the hint only. How do you prevent a method from being overridden? So again the same thing. When you are writing a method definition, the signature, you write public void method name like M, calculate, something like that. So you write public final void. Okay, so that is the answer. Okay, because remember, final class cannot be overridden. Final class cannot be extended. Final method cannot be overridden. So you need to write like this. Public, for example, if you want to have a public class. So let's say public and then final and then class and then class name A. And then whatever statements you follow. So when you have a final, this class cannot be extended. For method, do the same thing. If you want to have the method public, write public and then final, then void, and then the method name is M, for example, like this. Yeah, example like this. So when you say a method final, final method cannot be overwritten. Okay, then next. Let's indicate true or false for the following statement. A protected data member or a method. This is data member. Okay. Um, Protected data member or method can be accessed by any class in the same package, of course. So this is true. Protected data member or a method can be accessed by any class in a different package. This is false. Protected data member or a method can be accessed by its subclasses in any package. Of course, true. Final class can have instances. Instance means you are going to have objects. Objects, yes. The child, no. Final class cannot be, can be extended. No, false. Cannot be extended. Final method can be overridden. Cannot be overridden. I told you already just now. Okay, that's it about the exercise for the um, extending and overriding, how to prevent it, and also about the access modifiers. Thank you.